Alright, my friends, here's the deal. I kind of thought I would be done with PC giveaways for a good while. But then Raid Shadow Legends, a couple weeks ago, was like, hey, do you want some money? And I said, well, yes, I like money. And they were like, here you go, here's some money. Thanks to you guys for downloading it. I actually gave away $100 of that on my Discord. Now, I told you guys I was gonna try to spend the rest of that money on a PC giveaway because it's Christmas and Christmas is the time for giving, or something like that. AIDS. Now, admittedly, they only gave me like $500. But if you know me, you know I could do a lot with $500. I built this VR PC for like $500. This thing's got a 1660 Super and a 5600X. Now, you can't have my VR PC, but you can definitely have the 1660 Super in it, paired with a board like this, a brand new in-box 5600G, 16 gigs of just some Trident ZRGB, and you've got a nice little build going here. Wrap that up in a nice little box, and you've got a December gaming PC giveaway. So, here's my offer for you. 500 likes, 1,000 views, you have 3 days. I just need to make sure there's enough interest in a free gaming PC in order for me to do it. So that's about it. As for the rules, if this does happen, we're going to be going back to the old original giveaway rules because they work the best and they were the easiest for everyone to understand, so no more confusion. Now, if you want to enter this PC giveaway, here's what I'm going to tell you to do. Make sure you stay subscribed, or become subscribed if you're not, so you don't miss the video. Also, link in the description, make sure you join the Discord, and as an added bonus, if you want to follow me on Twitch, those are just some great places to A, make sure you don't miss the fucking video, and B, make sure you get the fucking entries so you can win the fucking PC. Capiche? And that's about it. So if you want a chance to win a, what I would say is a pretty decent gaming PC, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and, well, watch the damn video. If not, nothing I could do. Tomato, potato, I can't help you. So, I hope to see you guys in my next video, which I hope will be a gaming PC giveaway for the lovely month of December. And if it's not, well, you can absolutely go fuck. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video, which again, I hope it's a giveaway. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.